Welcome back to SK Luxury Autos, the new 2026 GMC Savana van, the most luxurious van build ever created. This is not just a van, this is a 5-star hotel on wheels, a private jet on the road, and a rolling palace all packed into one powerful machine. The 2026 GMC Savana comes with a bold and muscular design that instantly grabs attention. The front grille looks massive and dominant, giving it a strong road presence. The LED headlamps are sharp and modern, while the redesigned bumper adds a premium and aggressive touch. From the side, this van looks long, wide, and commanding. The alloy wheels are huge and stylish, and the chrome accents make it look more like a luxury SUV than a commercial van. This is the kind of vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, GMC has given the Savana serious power. The 2026 model comes with multiple engine options, including a powerful V8 petrol engine and a high-torque turbo diesel option. This van is built for performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or carrying a full load of passengers in total comfort. The automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, and the ride quality feels more like a luxury sedan than a van. Now let's talk about what truly makes this van special: the interior. Step inside and you are immediately welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The cabin is finished with premium leather upholstery, wooden trims, ambient lighting, and soft touch materials everywhere. The floor is fully carpeted, and the roof features a starlight ceiling that makes you feel like you are sitting inside a luxury aircraft. The seats are fully reclining captain seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Yes, you heard that right, massage seats inside a van. Each seat has its own armrests, cup holders, wireless charging pad, and personal entertainment screen. The legroom is massive, and you can stretch out comfortably even on long journeys. In the middle of the cabin, you get a luxury center console with a mini fridge, snack tray, and touch control panel for all vehicle functions. You can control the air conditioning, lighting, music, and seat settings with just a tap. This is next-level comfort. The 2026 GMC Savana also comes with a massive panoramic sunroof that fills the cabin with natural light during the day and looks stunning at night. The ambient lighting can be customized in multiple colors to match your mood. Whether you want a calm blue vibe or a bold red glow, this van delivers. Entertainment is on another level in this van. You get a massive 32-inch 4K LED screen mounted in the cabin, along with a premium surround sound system that feels like a cinema on wheels. You can connect your phone, play movies, watch YouTube, Netflix, or even connect your gaming console. Long journeys will never be boring again. For business owners and VIPs, the Savana can be customized into a mobile office. You can get a fold-out work desk, high-speed Wi-Fi, power outlets, and even a video conferencing setup. This is perfect for business meetings on the go. Safety is also a top priority in the 2026 Savana. It comes loaded with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera, and parking sensors. The strong body structure and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection for all passengers. The driving experience is surprisingly smooth for such a big vehicle. The suspension system has been tuned for comfort, so you barely feel road bumps. The steering is light, making it easy to drive even in city traffic. On highways, the Savana feels stable and confident, and the powerful engine makes overtaking effortless. This van is perfect for luxury travel, VIP transport, celebrity movement, family, road trips, and even wedding processions. In India, luxury van culture is growing fast, and the GMC Savana is quickly becoming the top choice for people who want something unique, premium, and powerful. Customization is where the Savana truly shines. You can build it exactly the way you want. From luxury lounge setup to party van, from family tour van to business class shuttle, anything is possible. You can add a bar counter, mood lighting, gaming zone, karaoke system, or even a mini bedroom setup. The rear section can be transformed into a private lounge with sofa-style seating, fold-out beds, and large windows with electric curtains. This is perfect for long-distance travel or overnight journeys. In terms of technology, the 2026 Savana is fully loaded. You get a digital driver display, large infotainment touchscreen, voice control, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and connected car features. You can monitor your vehicle, track location, and even start the engine remotely using your smartphone. Fuel efficiency has also been improved with the new engine technology. Despite being a big and powerful van, the Savana offers decent mileage for its segment, making it practical for long-term use. If you are someone who loves luxury, comfort, power, and road presence, the 2026 GMC Savana is your dream machine. This is not just transport, this is an experience. Every journey feels special, every ride feels premium, and every moment inside this van feels unforgettable. Imagine cruising on the highway with your favorite music playing, ambient lights glowing, your seat giving you a relaxing massage, and your friends enjoying a movie on the big screen. This is not a dream, this is the 2026 GMC Savana van. This van is redefining the concept of luxury travel in India and around the world. Whether you are a businessman, a celebrity, a travel enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the best, the Savana delivers on every front. So if you are planning to upgrade your ride and want something that stands out from the crowd, something that offers unmatched comfort and style, then the 2026 GMC Savana van should be at the top of your list. This is the most luxurious van build ever, and it proves that vans are no longer just for transport, they are for lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell us what you think about the 2026 GMC Savana van. Would you love to own one of these luxury beasts? And as always, stay tuned for more amazing automobile content. See you in the next video. Drive safe, dream big, and keep riding in style.